3G Cardio 80i Fold Flat Incline Treadmill is the best treadmill for your home gym in 2021. Fold Flat dimension 74 inch into 33 inch into 9.75 inches. Heavy-duty 3.0 horsepower motor. Running belt sign 18.5 inch into 58 inch. Speed low and high, 5 to 11 miles per hour. Maximum incline, 15%. Fold flat, under the bed. With the all-new 3G Cardio 80i Fold Flat Treadmill design, it is now possible to fold the treadmill flat and wheel it under a bed or shelf. Amazing storage capabilities. The 80i Fold Flat Treadmill provides a compact runner's workout in a unit that folds flat, folds up, and provides an amazing workout. Fold up dimension, 39 inch long into 33 inch wide and 70 inch height. Dual folding technology, space saving design.